Welcome to Pivot Coder. In this video, I'm going to explain you about how to take string input in Java. So first of all, let us go to the notepad. We have to import the Java input java.io.star. So this is the package where the input buffer reader is there. So let's define a class. Let's take sample as class's name as input. Now we'll define the main method in Java. Public static void main string space arguments. Okay, so now we have to define one variable to take the input. So in this program, what the program is going to be, so the program will ask me my name. So what is your name? It will ask. I will give my name as input. That name it has to print again. This is the sample program how the input works in Java. So for that we need to define one variable as string space name, new space string. So we have instantiated the variable. So now the Java console will write as buffered reader. We have to define buffered reader. Let's name it as br, new space buffered reader of new stream reader of system.in. So now we have created the variable as buffered reader. This will ask for the name. So first of all we have to write in the console that it should ask the name now. System.out.println of what is your name. What is your name? Okay, let's save the program. Pivot coder, sorry, Java name as input.java. So we have saved the file. Let us compile the program first. Java C space input.java. There is a connect for buffered reader. There is an error. Input Java buffered reader. So here I have not given F. That is the mistake. So the program is compiled. Now let's run the program and what the output is. So it is asking for what is your name. So this, let me explain once again. Import.java.io is the package where the class name buffered reader is there. We have created one object br and we have instantiated the variable, and the next line the program is asking what is your name. So now the name which we enter in the console to be saved in this variable now. So name is equals to br.readline is the method which takes the input from the console. So now after taking the input, hello name. So let's compile now. So it is giving an exception that unreported exception must be caught or declared to be thrown. For time being, I will write throws exception. So this will not give any exception. Java space input. So it is asking what is your name. My name is Raju. So I have given hello Raju. So this is a very simple program. And there are different types of inputs. In this video I have explained you about the string input only. In the next video I will be explaining about other types of inputs also. So please subscribe to Pivot Coder and thank you for watching.